stop and fix it. So here we got the old power wash. We're going to put it away for the winter. And I got the hose here. Actually, two hoses together. It gives me about 50 feet. The one length is the original hose, which was a lower quality, about 15 years old, and it had some kinks in it and stuff. And I said I should replace this, but I always dread that connection there. I've had the new hose for over a year, but never want to take it apart. So today is the day. So after a lot of WD-40, all sorts of wrenches, a lot of grunting and groaning, I got it apart. And so when I put it back together, I decided I should use the butt technique, the Bill Utter technique, marked it every 5 feet. So this way I take all the yellow marks, put them together, and it makes a nice loop. And so now what does that make? If you remember math class, circumference equals pi times diameter. So 19 inches times pi is 5 feet. There it is, all nicely wound up, and we're going to put this guy away for next year. Thanks for watching, everybody.